Naga Jingïadei badan arngot kibrio ki badan kiti ban Pynïap ya ka Longkmie ka ba itu kerteng kum ka damonika lalu ka ba sabhuai sinam kerta haga jaga trei jongka ka ba katrei haga Dukan bam ka badan na persya ususutam auditorium bat pildi kata haga arpu pra terek rumpang arajar pesan lalap baya kene la sushna khana do nong Pynïap ubadai hiu nong trei haga te Dukan uniu brio haga baningkong hadian baladab ban Pynïap ya ketika Longkmie ulalej ban khana syaki parlok ki Ïatreilang ban ong baki brio ki badon kiti ban Pynïap ki de ki baladeng de ki mas bat kila persyang menra e kamet jongkani ka Longkmie syakawai pat ka jaka bat ban berngem ya u baude ban yarap ra e kamet syakawai ka jaka bat lada umle kin pen mensa yu u Henrei naga jing toket kabla pelong de ki pulet bat kat kum kisaki ki babiang naga jing don ru ka CCTV ki pulet kila yo oksai pat ban lap bau dei mau badon kiti man shem ya jing em ka kong damonika ha jing li wat jing tip jong Shillong Mail na Superintendent of Police ka East Castle District uba Vivek CM para ka jing ekran ula pentep bau ni ubrio de bla itu kerteng kum usunai sing sapu arsnem kerta badu dei badon Jingïadei bat kani ka brio bat kani ka jing ja kala ja namar ka jing mi ka jing ya huri ura ha ka por men miet
kan tentang wi brio marwai u bai Ïatreilang kam dan Atiar kata ba kiau di beri buan na bari kata ningkong ya pergi ngidang tergit yu hai udang thau te ki khana di buan ki beri wan the pistol de kam de Atiar ta kadi bo mu Pynïap ya tu beri
di biasa yang tu
hai menta la jan arteo ki sa ang tu ka hang tu krum tu restoran tu apa dengan ni jing dalam bakal ka jungu hatu kan dan kan ka yu pada ke extra kita ki kendon ang giben pengat yu hoi kan de ka modern ta ba destruction of evidence ti adun ki kendon ki ba berking berjuan ki ba kemun kajab itu po yeng nai kajab ba ya so we got information at about 10:20 today this morning from the owner of Pretoria restaurant, which is there in Party Point, that his lady staff worker was suspected to be murdered. And then immediately, Sadat police station personnel rushed to the spot. The FSL, the CSU of the FSL was requisitioned and all that. They came there for lifting evidence. The special cell of East Castle also rushed there, and senior officers, including myself. We all went to the place of offence to ascertain how this incident took place. We questioned a number of people there, and the investigation team zeroed down on the culprit. It is another co-worker. It happened last night at about 11. There is no person from outside who had come. He is admitted to the crime. Last night at about 11 p.m. they had consumed alcohol, and they were having an affair also. And an argument emanated over something, over their affair, and this led to him assaulting her, and the assault was critical. He tried to conceal evidence by dumping the body near the transformer, but he could not take it over the gate because the body was heavy, and being a small built person. The murder weapon, which is a hollow pipe, has been recovered on his leading, and it has been seized. Footages have been taken from there, which clearly indicate his involvement in the crime. He has admitted to it. A case is being registered in Sadat police station, and he'll be produced for court, and police custody will be taken. We hope to charge sheet this case at the earliest, as it is an open and shut case, and hope to get a conviction.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia Ka nutrition bakam bha, ka jingim bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.